Peace, world. Peace and salutations. My name is Michael J. Turner. I am the Southwest Shaman, the Earl of Arizona. You are now shining with the Arizona sun. Coming with love from AZ. This is Stereo Fix 888, a channel about growth on YouTube, personal development, and so many other things. Yo, thank you for being you. Thank you for being here, which is wherever you at. It's time, baby. It's time. I messed up my own intro, but I'm going to tell you right now, this is the last part of it. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I can't save you. But I can share with you how I'm saving myself. How I'm saving myself. So, if you found this video, you are in the right place. Because I'm taking it somewhere I've never gone. So do you want to roll with me? Now is the time to hop on board. Hop on board now, man. So look, this is what I'm going to tell y'all, man. I want to say that I'm on time. Even with that pause right there, I'm on time. I'm on time with mine. Like, so many things in life were a lie. Turns out, man, so many things in life were a lie. And I'm on time. If you on time, hit that like button, man. If you on time, put it in the comments. Say I'm on time. Because that's the theme for this one. And what can I say about YouTube? YouTube is giving me everything right now. And it hasn't even... It's giving me everything, and it hasn't even given me anything yet. That's what's beautiful. You guys don't even know. You guys don't even know, man. So... I don't know. This video, man, like... I had so much to say. Kind of drawing a blank right now, though. But, I guess... This video should just find anybody and everybody. And let you know that... It's time. And you're on time. Even if you thought that you weren't on time. It's just kind of hard to follow. Look, man, I'm aging in reverse right now. And I want y'all to see this, man. Check this out, man. Look at my hairline. Look at my hairline, yo. When I was going through it, didn't know how to do it. I swear my hairline was disappearing. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't there. I mean, it's just a trip to me. I'm just blown away right now. Hey, so look. Hashtag aging in reverse. Hashtag aging in reverse and on time. Because I'm on time. And if you on time, let the world know you're on time. Let the world know that you're on time and you're aging in reverse. And I hope this video finds who it needs to find. Because the gems that I'm gonna give you guys, man, are beyond. And I can just tell you right now, it's just so amazing. Like, okay, right now I'm assembling my influences, okay? I didn't have them. I didn't have positive ones coming up, right? I had negative influences. So I'm assembling new influences. And wouldn't you believe it? Wouldn't you know it? Who popped up? Pauly Shore. This guy. I'm putting him up there. I'm putting him there. Look, man, this is who I got right now. I got Iceberg Slim. I got Sonny Lindum. Okay. I got Danny Trejo. All day, yo. I got this fucking guy, Pauly Shore, yo. And I have my reasons. I'll tell you what, the main reason, the number one, there's so many reasons, but the number one reason is because these men are people who have leaned into who they are. They figured out who the fuck they are, and leaned into that, and used that as fuel for, like, everything. I mean, this is it. This is, because, look, let me tell you, man, I am, and I'm here. And you want to know who I am? I am. So, like, nothing is too big or too small. It just doesn't even matter. This is what's beautiful. You guys gotta grasp this, man. This is what's beautiful. So, how are we gonna get this YouTube growth thing? How are we gonna do this YouTube thing, man? How are we gonna do this? This is the question, right? And is YouTube really on easy mode? I don't think so. But it is, though. Because here's the thing. I'm gonna let you in the secret. This is the real secret, yo. This is the real secret. You got to look at... I'm moving around too much. Sorry, how about this? You gotta look at those dudes. There's two guys that are like the dudes who are like the main people involved in the algorithm or whatever, if you will. Like they're the dudes who have designed it to operate the way it does. So I'm looking at these cats now, and I'm trying to understand what they're saying to me. This is where it gets complicated. Trying to figure out what the fuck they're telling me. They're telling me how to do this. You gotta find these guys. I don't know their names, but they're like the YouTube dudes. The YouTube guys that... Oh, man, I'll get back to you guys on this. But find out for yourself. This is what I encourage anybody to do with any information I give you on this channel. Find out for yourself. Research it for yourself. Double check me. Fact check me. What I'm trying to tell you is, they're saying, oh, here's the gem. I'm going to pull you to me. This is what they're telling me. I'm going to pull you to me. Okay, how can I put it? Like, instead of me trying to have to, like, get to you, I don't have to, basically, is what they're telling me. I don't have to try, because once the algorithm determines who you are to me, which is me, and you like what I'm putting down, then it just does this to everybody else in the vicinity and more, and then some. So in a way, it's working the same way as my psyche. Boom! Here's the super gem. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. Now we're working. Now we're cooking. Right now we in the kitchen. We in the kitchen now. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna tell you. Here's what I'm gonna get to you. I don't know how many other ways I could get to you. This is how I'm gonna get to you. Ain't nothing new under the sun. There's nothing new under the sun. So it's not what I do, it's how it's done. What I'm trying to tell you is everything that we have put in place as a piece of technology, or like a tool even, it imitates the operation of the human psyche or the human body. For instance, and for example, just to like, because I know my words could be example, ping, here it goes. Computers, what do you think it imitates? It imitates the brain. Now to bring it full circle, here we go. My point being is that I have God-gifted, unlimited powers of attraction. You telling me that's what my video is gonna do? That's what the dudes, I mean, they're programming it to work like that. So like at all times they're programming, this is what a computer does. It imitates us. So like, oh this is something to boil on, something to marinate on for your thought process, for your thought, turn to get the wheels turning. Like, damn, how is this shit really working? So I'm trying to figure out. Put in the comments if you're trying to figure it out too, man. Because I know we all trying to figure it out here. That's what this is all about, right? This is like the gold rush of 2025. When we have back to the return of the gold rush in California type thing, but not everybody's in it though. Not everybody's in it, and here it is. I already know it's a marathon. I'm already knowing this. Fortunately, I'm just crazy enough to do this. Nah, man, because it's really, look, it's faith in things unseen. And I do this on so many different levels, I can't even tell you, but it's all about the faith of things unseen. I know my video is going to find you, man, eventually. You out there. It's going to find you. It's going to find you. And just like Tupac said, like Pac said, man, I will spark the mind that will change the world. Something like that. That's what he said. Something like that. Sorry, you guys. I just fucking boom. Oh, you want the real YouTube? You want the tips? You want the tips? You want the tips, or you want to be on time, man? You want the tips, or you want to be on time? You made this far in the video, you real, and you gonna get something. You already got some sauce. I gave you a little something. I'm gonna give you some more of me, because that's what this channel's about. What I say off the top, yo, with love, man, love. So with love from AZ, YouTube tips. Oh, the biggest, deepest thing. Hey, shout out to Shayla. You know what I'm saying? From Texas. Soul Tribe. Peace. What up?
It's 9 o'clock.
She showed me how to use Canva for free. And it's a free thing, but to step up my thumbnail game, damn it. So here I am, shouting her out. That's the big tip. I'm gonna give y'all is download Canva, figure it out, but watch go watch Homegirl's stuff. And you know what? I think I'm gonna go as far as to put her thing in my, you know what I'm saying, down below, and the whatnot and what have yous down there. You can find her stuff down there too, cause I'm gonna share it, and that's how I'm gonna get down, you know. And but yeah, use that. It took me. I'm slow with it. It took me a while to even get here with it. Use that, but I'm having to combine it with a few others, cause like this is, I don't know, maybe I'm going on like a far around way about doing this, but like whatever works for you, and whatever cause it's all about like boom, there's an end goal, and however I gotta get there, that's what matters. However I get there, I don't care if you're there first. I don't care if you're there weeks ahead of me, months. But I'm there. And I tell you why I'm there, because I see myself there. Can you see yourself there? I can see myself there with you. We're chilling. That's my Maxie. Here she comes. She's about to drop in. Watch. Maxie. Maxie. Anyway, so yeah, I'm using Canva. Are you coming downstairs or what? Photoshop Express. It's because I'm operating on a Chromebook. I have a Chromebook. There she goes, Maxie. Peace to Maxie, girl. Yeah, I'm operating on a Chromebook, so within the store is what I have access to, and I'm using Photoshop Express now, Canva, and I have something to a background remover. That's it, man. I'm gonna leave y'all on that. Marinate on all that. Marinate on all that. Peace. Peace from the Southwest. Once again, StereoVix 888. Your friend. I am your friend. I'm your peer. I'm you. You are me. So get down and rock with us, man. Peace.